Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakakat witrik unopra arajar arpusan. Ulapli pajba eka grid connected rooftop solar panel ke basah punyo kilowatt hak office jong ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Hasilong. Kini gedi shibenta jong ke CM Solar Mission ke skim jong ke sorkar jela ban penyo ke boarding ke bakut. Bat ke boarding ke bapenankam na ke bor buyok na kesni haki office sorkar ki yang di skul bat ki Jaka Sumar. Habakeran ke patai kubor Menteri Rangba uloong bagani ke jingbo ke solar panel hak office jong ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kalong kanuksa ke ban pensulur ki wei pat ki kenhuan ban penankam ke boarding ke bakut. Hakini ke singi layo ru ban penlong ya ke jinggalang bishar jong ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban kampen klan ya ke rukom terikam juga board ban pentikena bagan long ke bakam don kam. Menteri Rangba ulia tu bahakini ke jinggalang layo ban emir jengmut halor kumno ban penklan ya ke jing terikam juga board ban penek pensa ki kendon ke badan hak Air Act, Water Act, ban Environment Protection Act. Da ke bakado bagani ke jinggalang ban bishar bnia kini ki kam kan long hau benai kelalengkot ban shimikira halor kumno ban penterikam ya kilat kilenti. Menteri Rangba ulapan pawe ke jing kermen ban yi ya ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ke baklan hak ke jing terikam ban pentikena ya ke jing penkut ya ke air ke bagi jing hanglat ya ke jing jaklia
Today, we had a meeting of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. As you're aware, as the Minister in charge of Forest and Environment, the Pollution Board comes under the ministry. And as Minister in charge, I felt it necessary to review the working of the State Pollution Board. And I'm happy to inform that, of course, I'm here today, and that we reviewed the entire working of the board, and it was a very, very positive meeting. A lot of positive suggestions have come and discussions on how to streamline the working of the pollution board and ensure that it is more effective. A lot of work has been done in the past many years, but a lot more can be done in the future, and therefore a lot of positive suggestions came, and we have discussed on those matters. We will take up another review meeting in the month of January, where we will then take up concrete steps and measures on how to expand the scope of work of the board and see how we can be more effective to ensure that the different aspects of and the mandates that are there as per the Air Act, the Water Act and the Environment Protection Act, those can be protected and those can be implemented. So measures will be discussed, and I hope that in the days to come, we will see the pollution board becoming a very vibrant and a very effective board, and which will lead to overall, as I said, better overall air quality and water quality, and overall control the pollution level in the state as a whole. We just inaugurated the installation of the solar panels under the CM Solar Mission. As you're aware, this is a state scheme. It's a idea that was floated about a year back, where we want to ensure that government offices, homes, schools, health centers, all of them have some sort of clean energy and a solar energy backup that's available. And what makes this program special is it's not just the solar panels, but there is also an inverter and battery that ensures that the energy can be stored and then can be used by the people as and when they want it. So we're giving a full solution and not just a piecemeal solution. And I'm happy that today in the pollution board office here in Shillong, we have just inaugurated this, and I hope that this will support the overall energy requirement here. And more importantly, it will send a positive message that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board is leading by example to ensure that they're using clean energy and motivate other organizations to also do the same.